Hi, everybody. I'm Micheline, and this is
Leah.
and we're from Americana Long Arm Quilting. We just got back from a quilt show. It was Quilting Greenville style in Greenville, South Carolina. We were vendors for the first time, and we had the best time. It was so much fun meeting so many people and
just looking at everybody's booth. It was just amazing. Just talking to people, getting to know people.
Yeah, I really loved talking to everybody. That was fun. Yeah, that was fun. Anyway, so what we thought we'd do today is show you what we won. Leah went and bought, they had, I don't know, how many baskets do you think they had?
Probably 50 something at least.
Yeah.
At least.
Because I remember them calling out, number 47.
Yeah, exactly. They had
so they probably had 50 of these raffle baskets. And Leah went and bought tickets.
Yes.
And so she won this basket. And she says, the next basket's yours. And here's something you need to know about Leah. She is a gift giver. There is nothing I can do to stop her. She is unstoppable. I'm constantly saying, can I pay you for that? No. Can I get you something? No.
That's what makes me feel good.
So
it just makes me feel
that's
good.
her love language. So I said, well, can I trade you baskets? This is a bigger basket than that. She's no.
I picked this one when I was going through and putting all the little tickets in the different boxes that they had in front of the baskets. There was two baskets in particular. I said, I want this one or this one. And they're both going to be for Micheline if I win them. One was a dog mom basket. And then this one, it has the sewing cup in it. And I have a sewing cup just like that. And I'm like, I want her to have a sewing cup.
And we're pretty serious about our coffee. Even though, now she drinks really fancy coffees. I drink decaffeinated coffee, so I don't know why I'm so serious about my coffee, but I love my coffee. I drink decaffeinated because I've had a heart attack, and they said, oh, no more caffeine for you. So I said, okay. And since that time, I've not had caffeine in the form of coffee. I did just have a Coca-Cola with lunch. All right, so we want to share with you what we got in our baskets. So, Leah, you do your basket first.
All right.
Does it say anything? It says... Number 2, yellow wicker basket, varied colors of green, yellow, and red fabric. Good fortune pattern, Dritz basting pins, seam ripper, machine needles, assorted needles, and a 1/2-inch braid elastic.
But there's much more in there. I can see much more.
You were fancy with that. I was just going to go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All right. So
they loaded these baskets.
They did. And the basket is just so cute to begin with.
It is.
Well, the first thing in there is a pattern.
That's a pretty pattern.
That's a pretty pattern.
That reminds me of our
it does. I was wondering. I looked at it. I was like, that looks like kind of the same thing. It's very close.
We're pointing to a quilt.
Yeah. And I'm hoping that I can use this fabric to make this pattern.
I'm guessing you probably can.
Yeah.
I would think they would have put enough fabric in there for you. It's a scrappy one too, so you can, I bet we've got enough to fill in if you don't.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So we shall see. Well, here's the elastic. It's gray.
It's always good to have.
Yeah, exactly.
Always good to have.
Let's see, what is this? Oh, these are safety pins. That's
nice.
Good for pinning.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. What is this? Oh, that's a
seam ripper. The things that make quilters happy.
And some
buttons.
And then a whole bunch of needles. Those will come in handy. I do a lot of EPP.
Yeah.
So those will come in handy for that as well. And then just, let's see. Oh, and that's
machine needles.
Those are machine needles. Yes.
Good.
Let's see.
Oh, that's a pretty fabric.
That's cute.
I like that one.
Wow. And that's cute. That's like the same thing in a different colorway, kind of.
Similar, yeah.
Two of those.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's a different color too.
Yeah,
that's different too.
Isn't that a gorgeous color? Let's show that.
It is color. Gorgeous. Pretty.
Nice neutral. Neutrally orangey color. Sorry. Look at this. Oh, come back here, basket.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
That one's really pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, with the birds.
Oh, it's got birds in it.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's a fat 8th.
Yeah. Yeah.
We also had, while she's continuing to open up and show you these fabrics, they also had, 200 grab bags.
a lot.
And so the grab bags were
cute.
going kind of slow, and we were doing a quilt there on one of our antique machine or our vintage machines on Friday. And so on Saturday, what we did is anybody who and we were having people sign up as we were sewing to win that quilt. So the next day, we decided anybody that brought a grab bag over and showed us that they had bought one, we would make another quilt out of grab bag stuff. And if they showed us that they bought a grab bag, we would sign them up for that quilt. So now I have 2 quilts to finish and give away. But that helped them get rid of all their grab bags. And there was some nice stuff in there.
Really nice
those grab
fabrics
bags.
in the
Really
grab bags.
nice quilting fabrics.
That is different. What is that?
Oh,
it's a little
oh,
bag.
it's a bag.
It's a little bag.
How cute is that?
That is cute. Little bag.
Very
How
cute. You can put your pins in it.
Yeah. Lots of fabric in here.
That's a pretty one.
That is
very
pretty.
Very pretty.
And that looks like
not
some more
not
of
a yeah. That is. That's some more of
oh,
that
that's
same.
a big one.
Yeah, this is a big piece too.
Yeah, this is a big piece.
Nice.
Nice. All right.
All right, that's basket number 1.
And then the basket itself.
Yep.
Cool.
That
That
was
is
really
so
neat.
cute.
Let's
That's
get
really
this
good.
out of the way. All right, so in basket number 2, any day spent sewing is a good day. Various yardages of blacks, grays, and whites, coffee mug and coffee fabric, thread needles, elastic, seam ripper, ruler, rick-rack, thimble, and measuring tape, and a magazine. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. This is heavy. Okay, look at this. This is so much fun.
Cute.
Okay, so we've got some thread. And here is my coffee mug. It says, any day spent sewing is a good day. Cute. All right, we've got another seam ripper, some more elastic, a little bit of rick-rack, oh, and a thimble. Oh, and those are the thimbles that I like to use. I use these all the time. And those of you who don't like my long nails, this is why I use this type of thimble, because your fingernail has a place to go in that. I love that. Those are the thimbles I use. Here we have a little slice of gray. Here was our little tape measure. I carry those in my purse.
Oh, yes.
I get some needles and some machine needles. This is, oh, that's funny. This denim. Feels like denim. Well, it's a very lightweight denim. We tried really hard to get rid of all the denim that we had, and we sold all but 2 packages of our denim pieces. If you go on our website, you'll see what's left. Here's the coffee cup. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Love that. Oh, this is a neat, oopsies, kind of noodle. Oh, they forgot to say that I have a ruler in there too.
Oh, I like that.
This is a nice
pretty
piece of fabric.
That is pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It looks kind of like swirls.
I've got a Fisker's 5-inch. No, is that a 6-inch ruler? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5-inch ruler. Very nice.
1/4 yards.
Jeez, that's nice. Here's another really nice one. This has got green in it too. That would be a nice neutral for yours. We'll put that one in your pile. Some bias tape. Some black with some stars. That's pretty. We have got a collection of black fabrics starting that we got partially from a lady whose stash we bought. And we're making a black and white quilt soon.
Yes.
I don't know.
Think you got enough.
I think I had a second rick rack. I had 2 rick racks. I've got a beautiful Seasons by Debbie Mum magazine, so that's going to be fun. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful quilt on the front. Fun quilts in here. Ooh, oh, there was a pinwheel one that I love, and there's a log cabin with a leaf in the center. That's neat. Okay, here's another pattern. Block party cutting instructions. So they give you the instructions on how to create that one. That looks almost like it's a sawtooth star, and then it kind of expands
Yeah.
into a square and a square almost.
It's
That's
different,
fun.
for sure.
So we've got a few more gray scraps here. And we love our scraps here. Are those horseshoes? Those look like horseshoes.
It is horseshoes.
You know, I was raised on an Arabian horse ranch, so yay, horseshoes. That's a pretty velvety black and gray. And then another wonderful neutral. And a fun basket.
It is a really cool basket.
That's a neat basket. Man, they did a great job. That
Really
was the
did.
Foothills Quilt Club,
Foothills.
something like that.
Yep.
And
Foothills Quilt Guild.
they really put on a wonderful show, and we had just an absolute blast. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of an unboxing. We're going to get back to work now and bring you lots more fun videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do all the things that make that algorithm sing. And until next time, stay quilting.
Quilting.
Bye.
Bye.